Hello everyone, welcome to the Python tutorial series. Today we learn how to write a program for a small calculator. Yes, calculator. In this calculator we only have two possible: plus, minus, divide and multiply. Okay, let's start. First of all, we have to use def function for define a function, self function for one for plus, for one for minus, one for multiply, one for divide. So we write def and the space, then variable name a add, and the argument is x comma y. Okay, this is the a function def. The next function we copy paste this or not copy paste. Okay, the next function is def, and for subtract, and argument is x comma y semicolon. Okay, the next is the def, and for multiply, and the argument is x comma y and semicolon. And one more, def for divide, and argument is x comma y and okay. So we have four functions def. Now one by one, if add function, we call function add, so what happen? Return value is x plus y. Okay, if when we call subtract function, so what happen? What we get? Return x minus y. And if multiply, so return x star for multiply y. If divide, so return x divide by y value. Okay, so we assign or define, we define four functions: add, subtract, multiply, divide. The return value is plus, minus, and the division and multiplication. Now what happened? First of all, we give you idea how type of calculator. When you run the program, calculator ask first option what you want: multiply, add or subtract. So we choose option 1 for add, like that. If you press 1, your calculator is ready to add two number. Then he ask the number 1 and number 2, and the enter the result is sum of the number. This type of calculator we now write program for this type program. So first option, print. We have four functions, then print when you run the program. So option is select operator. Select operator means select what you want. Okay, this message appear when run the program. Then after this the message appear one add. It means if you press 1, the calculator ready to add. Then print if you press 2 for subtract. Same as if you print 3. These are strings. This not work for run program press 1. We write for this the other line. This is the message only. Third for multiply. Print 4 for divide. Okay, now this message appear. Okay, we will check by run the program. When we run the program, this message appear. Now you have to you want to add two numbers. You click first 1, then the program start to add two numbers. Okay, after this we create a loop while, and while is true, while is true when choice input, choice is equal to, choice is a variable input, choice input enter choice, and what is the choice? 1/2/3/4 and bracket close. Okay, this is a variable input. We input the, after this message appear, a message is enter your choice with choice 1 2 for the calculation. Okay, you can check by run program. Okay, we have two message, this is the message, this is input. We choose 1, enter, again he choose, because our program is not complete. Okay, after we choose a number, what happen? We take a condition, if choice in these are the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 in single quote. Okay, if the user choose one of them, so what happen? If user choose 1, so variable num1 is equal to float, maybe point value, float input enter first number, enter first number. First this message appear on the screen, then he asks choose a number from 1 to 4, you choose 1 for adding, then he ask number 1, enter the number 1 value. If you number 1 enter, then he ask for number 2, copy this and now paste. This is num2. Second number. After you input the first and 2, how the program know that he have to add this number because you choose 1? For this you again apply a condition, if choice is equal to 1, so what happen? The num1 plus num2. Okay, print num1 plus num2 if choice 1. Okay, and copy paste, or you can choose else if choice same as choice is equal to 2, so print is equal to 2. If the choice is 2, what happen? Print choice 2 is for subtraction minus. Okay, then again copy this and paste here. If choice 3, so multiply, then again paste, else you can put here else, or if choice is 4, then multiply. Now 1 2 is multiply, enter, else if user input something different from the value 1 to 4, so the message appear invalid number input. Okay, and while loop is break. Okay, we explain after the run the program successfully. So we run the program. When we run the program, message appear 1 for add, 2 for subtract, like that. I input ask we 1, enter one number 10, enter second number 20, and the output is 30. Okay, then again run. We choose number 3. Enter first number 10, multiply by 9, answer is 90. Okay, the calculator is ready. Now we explain this. First of all, we define 4 functions: one for plus, one for minus, one for multiplication, one for divide. Def is using to create self function. Add is a function. Argument is xy value. Okay, this is for message. When run the program, this message appear because the green text in the single quote is a message string. Okay, next we provide a loop while true, choice input. If we choose input 1 to 4, this is for message appear. This is for asking for input. If we 1 to 4, this is true. If we choose 1 2 3 4, the while is work. If we choose 2, it means the while is true, so it's work. And next condition, if the choice 1 2 3 4, if we choose any number from 1 to 4, he asks some number 1 and number 2. If we choose number 1, then plus. If we choose 2, then minus. If we choose 3, multiply. If we choose 4, multiply. Sorry, it's for divide. Okay, then break. Else invalid input. If we input other than 1 2 3 4, so while loop is break after this 4 condition, and the calculator is ready. Now we can check for division. For division, we choose 4 and we 100 divide by 25. Answer is 4 is right. Okay, this is the programming for calculator. If you like this video, please subscribe, share and click on bell icon. One more tutorial series is continue in this channel, Codium YouTube channel, is how to develop a game, and this series in Hindi. After 8 videos, complete the series of 8 video, I will make in English. Please, for English how to make a game series, please subscribe, share and click on bell icon for notification. Thank you very much.